Hello, superstars. Welcome to Fluent English Podcast, your fun and friendly space to improve English fluency. I am Mia. I am excited to welcome you to today's English lesson. Want to know what is your level in English? Take a test and see. Whether you're just starting out or you've been learning English for a while, this lesson is for you. This test is designed to help you see what you already know and what you can practice more. There's no pressure. Just relax, enjoy, and let's see how much you can do together. I have prepared 3 sets of questions for you today. The first set has 10 questions designed for A1-A2 level, which is perfect if you're just starting out or want to review the basics. The second set has 10 questions for B1-B2 level, and the third set of 10 questions for C1-C2 level, so you can challenge yourself with more intermediate, advanced, and proficient level questions. You will see multiple choice questions. After I read each question out loud, I'll give you 5 seconds to choose the correct answer. Then, I'll share the correct answer. Let's start with A1-A2 level questions. 1. Which sentence is correct? A. She go to school. B. She goes to school. C. She going to school. The answer is B. She goes to school. 2. What is the opposite of cold? A. Hot. B. Tall. C. Wet. A is correct. Hot is the opposite of cold. E. What color is a banana? A. Blue. B. Yellow. C. Red. B is correct. Bananas are yellow. 4. Choose the correct word. I, a dog. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having. A is correct. I have is the right form. 5. Which is correct? A. I am play football. B. I am playing football. C. I playing football. B is correct. I am playing football. 6. Choose the correct answer. Name is John. A. His. B. He. C. Him. A is correct. His name is John. 7. What is the plural of child? A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs. B is correct. The plural of child is children. 8. Which sentence is a question? A. You are happy. B. Are you happy? C. You happy are? B is correct. Are you happy? 9. Choose the correct word. I. From Spain. A. Am. B. Is. C. Are. A is correct. I am from Spain. 10. What is the opposite of old? A. Young. B. New. C. Tall. A is correct. Young is the opposite of old when talking about people. How is it going so far? You're doing a great job. Well done. Now, let's move on to the B1-B2 questions and challenge yourself with some intermediate English. Ready? Let's get started. B1-B2 level questions. 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I have seen him yesterday. B. I saw him yesterday. C. I have saw him yesterday. B is correct. Use past simple for finished time. I saw him yesterday. 2. Choose the correct word. She is than her brother. A. More tall. B. Taller. C. Most tall. B is correct. Use taller for comparisons. 3. Which sentence is a first conditional? A. If it rains, I will stay home. B. If it rained, I would stay home. C. If it rain, I stay home. A is correct. If it rains, I will stay home. Choose the correct answer. I've lived here 5 years. A. Since. B. For. C. During. B is correct. Use for with a period of time. 5. Which word best completes the sentence? He was tired. He went to bed early. A. So. B. But. C. Because. A is correct. He was tired, so he went to bed early. 6. Which sentence is correct? A. I'm looking forward to see you. B. I'm looking forward to seeing you. C. I'm looking forward seeing you. B is correct. I am looking forward to seeing you. 7. Choose the correct word. Let's go to the cinema. A. Will we? B. Shall we? C. Do we? B is correct. Shall we? Is the correct question tag for suggestions. 8. Which sentence is passive? A. The cake was eaten by Tom. B. Tom eats the cake. C. Tom is eating the cake. A is correct. The cake was eaten by Tom is passive. Choose the correct answer. If enough money, I would buy a car. A. Have. B. Had. C. Has. B is correct. If I had enough money, I would buy a car. 10. Which word best completes the sentence? She didn't come to the party. She was ill. A. So. B. Because. C. But. B is correct. She didn't come to the party because she was ill. Fantastic work, everyone. You're really showing your skills. Now, let's take it to the next level with the A1-C2 questions. These will be a bit more challenging, but I know you're ready. Let's see how you do. Good luck. Question 1. Which sentence uses the word notwithstanding correctly? A. Notwithstanding of the rain, the match was postponed. B. The match was postponed, notwithstanding the rain. C. Notwithstanding, the match was postponed the rain. The correct answer is B. Notwithstanding means in spite of. So, the match was postponed. Notwithstanding the rain means the match was postponed even though it rained. Question 2. Which option best completes the sentence? Had I known about the traffic, I, earlier. A, would have left. B, will have left. C, would leave. The answer is A. This is a third conditional sentence used to talk about hypothetical situations in the past. Had I known about the traffic, I would have left earlier. Question 3. Choose the sentence that uses albeit correctly. A. She finished the marathon, albeit exhausted. B. She finished the marathon, albeit she was exhausted. C. She finished the marathon, albeit exhausted. A is correct. Albeit means although, and is followed by an adjective, adverb, or phrase, not a full clause. She finished the marathon, albeit exhausted. Question 4. Which word best fits the sentence? The scientist's theory was met with, from her peers. A. Acclaim. B. Skepticism. C. Compliance. B is correct. Skepticism means doubt or disbelief, which is common when a new theory is introduced. The scientist's theory was met with skepticism from her peers. Question 5. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. Rarely I have seen such a breathtaking view. B. Rarely have I seen such a breathtaking view. C. Rarely seen I have such a breathtaking view. B is correct. After negative adverbials like rarely, we use inversion. Rarely have I seen. Rarely have I seen such a breathtaking view. Question 6. Which word best completes the sentence? His explanation was so that everyone understood immediately. A. Convoluted. B. Lucid. C. Ambiguous. B is correct. Lucid means clear and easy to understand. His explanation was so lucid that everyone understood immediately. Question 7. Choose the correct sentence. A. No sooner had she arrived than the meeting started. B. No sooner she had arrived than the meeting started. C. No sooner had she arrived when the meeting started. A is correct. No sooner than is the correct structure, and we use inversion after no sooner. No sooner had she arrived than the meeting started. Question 8. Which word best fits the sentence? The CEO's speech was full of making it hard to discern her true intentions. A. Candor. B. Equivocation. C. Forthrightness. B is correct. Equivocation means using ambiguous language to hide the truth. The CEO's speech was full of equivocation, making it hard to discern her true intentions. Question 9. Choose the sentence that uses lest correctly. A. He whispered lest he wakes the baby. B. He whispered lest he should wake the baby. C. He whispered lest to wake the baby. B is correct. Lest is followed by should or the subjunctive. He whispered lest he should wake the baby. Question 10. Which option best completes the sentence? Scarcely, the announcement been made when the crowd erupted in applause. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. C is correct. After scarcely, we use past perfect inversion. Scarcely had the announcement been made, the crowd erupted in applause. You've completed all the questions. Well done. Share your score in the comments section. Remember, every question was a chance to learn and grow, no matter your score. If you enjoyed this test and want more practice, tips, and fun learning activities, don't forget to subscribe. By subscribing, you'll get regular updates and new resources to help you keep improving your English skills. Join our learning community and stay motivated on your language journey.